Hello friends, this is Rahul Mane, alumni of MIT Institute of Mass Media. I am from one of the earliest batch. I give lectures at New York Film Institute and Los Angeles Film Academy, and all credit goes to MIT Institute of Mass Media. I remember my formative years when I was studying in MIT, where I was struggling to get inside the industry, and MIT really helped me a lot to build a network and get me to be there on field inside the Indian film industry. Because of that foundation that was created in me and the chance that I was given through MIT to work over there and take a lot of experience as a writer, editor, director, and later on film producer. When I impart the knowledge which I've taken back in India from MIT Institute of Mass Media, that knowledge which has really helped me a lot, and the knowledge that is actually been praised by people all over the world. I also want to thank Institute for one more thing. When I was working there, even when there were times when I was not able to pay fees, but then Institute understood my caliber, my core competencies, and on behalf of that, they helped me a lot to complete my course. And after that also, they helped me a lot to go outside, to do internship at right place, at right time with good professional companies. All thanks to Institute of Mass Media, the staff, the librarians, even the technical people who were always cooperative with me. I was able to access library at any time. I was able to make use of equipments at any time. I was able to interact with all those media professionals whenever I wanted with the help of MIT. And the knowledge which I took from that time till now has really helped me, and in future also it will help me. I request all those people who are watching me, who are enrolled for this course of mass media or who are planning to enroll. So I request them that do not get disappointed. Failure is the stepping stone for success. Be proud to be MITian. I am also proud to be MITian and an Indian.